The LG U20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G for Straight Talk. So the Galaxy S20 Ultra is not at Straight Talk, so this is the final check, of course. There it is. That's actually all. You do have a whole bunch of front-facing camera, line keys, and the power button are on the right side of the phone. So pretty much what people got in this one. There's a button, like I said, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Camera is still there just a bit. There we go. Then this is the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G on the back. Like I said, the camera setup there in Samsung area. And of course, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra has Wi-Fi 82 open ABGM ACAS, stable Wi-Fi, and 128 GB of RAM. 12 GB of RAM, which is nice. Your dimensions are 6.57 inches in height, 2.99 inches in width, and 0.35 inches in depth. 37 at the top time, 6.9 inch infinity air display, pretty nice. And then your camera configurations are 12 megapixel wide angle, 64 megapixel telephoto, and the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera on the back. Alright. It says this is the phone that will change photography. Meet Galaxy S20 Ultra with revolutionary 8K video snap changing how you capture not just video but photography, and 5G changing the way you share it, adding Samsung Unlock security, intelligent battery, powerful processor, and massive storage. And the Galaxy S20 series unveiled a new world for mobile. So, pretty nice. The Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G is available for $1399.99 for retail price. There is no option to get it monthly, so do keep it in mind. That's kind of interesting. The Galaxy S20 has an option to get it monthly, but the S20 Plus or the S20 Ultra does not have the option to get it monthly. That's why they get the S20 Plus and the S20 Ultra full retail price, alright? So there's your specifications here. So like I said, your dimensions are 6.57 inches in height, 2.99 inches in width, and 0.35 inches in depth. 5,000 mAh battery, 37 hours of talk time. Standby time is 15 days and 10 hours. Digital hammer compatibility there. And what you guys get in the box is a USB cable, travel adapter, USB-C, AKG headset, clear phone case, which is nice, extra earbuds, and adjusting tool. And of course, it says on every straight talk phone, a service plan card is required for activation. We all know that. Plus, many plans are not returnable or refundable. Service plan card is required for activation. I don't know why they do it twice. I don't know why. It makes no sense. But there you go. It says text SAG988U1 to 611611 for more tutorials. This has Android 10 with One UI. I think it's One UI 2.0 or One UI 2, something like that. Store more, create more. General storage out of the box plus expandable means you never have to delete what's important to you. Massive storage out of the box can expand to fit your needs as working life happen, so you get the storage of your laptop in your pocket. Photos and video with one tap. Capture videos and multiple types of images with one tap of the shutter button. One tap captures multiple images and video all at once. Lenses, effects, and filters captures the best of every moment every time. Processor Snapdragon 865. So there you go. Display on this one, 6.9 inches Infinity OLED display. Dynamic AMOLED display, so a massive screen. So really nice. So there you guys have it, the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. It's available at Straight Talk for $1399.99 for retail price. There is no option for monthly installments on this phone. The Galaxy S20 Ultra is running on Verizon's 5G network, so it's really nice. So there you guys have it, Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G from Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If that's matter a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.